Matt with MFG Tray, known in the pizza industry for our dough boxes and new released half-size dough boxes. We're gearing up for our exciting Pizza Tomorrow Summit show in Orlando next month. I love coming to watch the competitions because I can't do what those guys do. It always comes out great every time, and it gives me something to look forward to every show. We do a variety of dough boxes, display trays, pan extenders, totes and containers, all made from a fiberglass composite. If we don't have something that fits your needs, reach out to us. We can custom make. We can look into different options. We have a variety. We might find something to fit exactly what your niche is. Love the US Pizza team. Again, the competitions, I watch everyone out there and it amazes me. Different skills from different areas. Everyone brings their A game and every pizza looks great. Competitors always travel to shows. Sometimes it's hard to bring a proofing box. Reach out to us before the show. We can pack an extra one for you. If you forget it before the show, hey, reach over and say, Matt, I forgot my box. We'll get you a hookup. To find out more about our products, our dough boxes, reach out to mfgtray.com or give me a call at 814-683-4500. Just ask for Matt.